In fact, I do not feel hope during the 3 months during which I appealed to President Bassirou and the Prime Minister of Senegal, who were my great hope because they came to power with the title of fighting corruption, and I sent them several corruption cases. 1. Embezzlement of funds. 2. Theft of the equipment of the 2 Sunrise ships. 3. Theft of 2 Sunrise ships. 4. Theft of the equipment of 2 ships, Sunrise. 5. Forgery and theft of $13,336 at the hands of the bank. 6. Fraud and theft of money using forged bank checks. 7. Breach of trust through a mandate from the Stam Company to the 2 companies. Atlantis Marine, with exclusive management of the Stam Maritime Agency, and a pledge from the Stam Maritime Agency to the Atlantis Marine Company not to contact the shipowners. After all that, Gabriel Bass, general manager of the Stam Company, did not abide by all the pledges and contacted the shipowners. He stole money from them, 41,000 euros, which was stolen from the owners of the ship Legia. Because of that, I, the general manager of Atlantis Marine, lost my clients, the owners of the ship Legia. Atlantis Marine is the representative of the owners of the ship Lega in Senegal. Gabriel Bass also took the money and did not give any official invoices. 8. Lawyer Ibrahim Niang is a traitor to the oath, who also sold my lawsuit, and the evidence is clear with several proofs. The most important of which is that he concealed all the court's deliberations and did not inform Atlantis Marine of the court's decision on the same day the court's decision was issued, but rather after 65 days, and he did not object to the decision despite Atlantis Marine's demands. He also abandoned the case and did not appear at the objection trial. 9. The director of Atlantis Marine filed a complaint with the president of the Bar Association. He requested a lawyer, but did not receive any response from the president of the Bar Association. 10. The general manager of Atlantis Marine Company submitted a complaint to the general director of Dakar Port, and director of the Port of Dakar, and assistant director of the Port of Dakar, and the attorney general. He asked the buyer, Gabriel Bass, and from the maintenance workshop, and a request from the Calaban police. Also, the general manager of Atlantis Marine requested that the propellers, rudder, and ship's equipment be reinstalled to protect the ship from sinking, but no one moved, no one answered, and the ship sank. Now the Sunrise ship is being cut up and the shipowner has not received the price for his ship. And to all of those mentioned above, none of them answered, and accordingly, I personally, Director General of Atlantis Marine, Mustafa Alal, consider that the state of Senegal is outside international laws and a dangerous country for global trade. And this video is a complaint to the International Criminal Court, the United Nations, and the International Maritime Organization, the international community and public opinion, yes. A complaint against the government of Senegal, which does not protect investors and does not hear any calls for help. I will not address the Senegalese government through my channel anymore. And I consider the Senegalese government not to respond to direct complaints and also via social media, and it has not provided me with any lawyer to study my documents and evidence. This is an encouragement to fraudsters, gangs, and gangs of ship pirates. I will continue to present corruption files via social media for the sake of the international community and not for the government of Senegal after today. I personally tried to protect Senegal, but unfortunately the government of Senegal themselves do not want to protect Senegal.